Who likes potato and chorizo omelette? I do. It's a perfect snack. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here, and today I'm feeling a little bit hungry, but I'm not that hungry, but I could just do with something to eat, and I thought I'd make an omelette. And in the fridge I've got some spare chorizo sausage, not much, just a little bit, but it's going to be enough to make a potato and chorizo omelette. So before I start, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, now I'll start by cutting 2 small potatoes into little tiny squares like this. Then we pat them dry with some kitchen towel because they're going to go into a pan with some oil. And here's my chorizo, and I'm going to cut this into little squares too. So take a pan on the hob, put in plenty of olive oil and pop in those potato squares. In they go. Stir them around a bit. Now what we want to do is just get these nice and soft and then put them to one side. Meanwhile, we can chop a spring onion or two. I do love spring onions. I love that greenness of the ends. So I've cleaned the pan and I'll pop in the chorizo. I don't need to put any oil with this. It's got plenty of oil on its own. All those oily juices coming out now. So that's that done. Move them around a little bit and we put them to one side. Then we get a bowl into which I'm going to put 3 or 4 eggs and then give them a good whisk. Get them all mixed together. Take out those little bits of shell. Shouldn't have done that. And in we go with our softened potatoes. Add our chorizo, but don't forget that nice oily stuff that come out. That's where all the flavour is. In with our spring onions, or some people call them scallions, I think. And I've added some cheddar cheese. I love cheddar cheese. We pop that in. Bit of seasoning, some lovely salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. Now we want to incorporate all of these, so we're going to give them a good mix together, and then they'll be ready to put in the pan. And off we go. More oil again, not too much. In with our omelette mixture, in that goes. I'm just going to even it out a little bit to get it equal around the edges, and after a few minutes of slow cooking, just check the sides to see if it's coming away. Now this, a quick blast under the grill and it cooks the top, and then you end up with this. Now I'm telling you guys, that's so delicious. Look at it, beautiful. A little bit. Now I'm telling you, that is looking so good. Just check out these little snaps I've taken. All those flavours in there. That should keep me going till dinner time. Now it's time for my taste test. Take a neat little slice like that, and here we go. Best part of the video. Well, it is for me anyway. Hi guys. I'm telling you, this is so delicious and so easy to make. Please try this for yourself, you will not be disappointed. Thanks so much for watching this latest video of mine. Please continue watching the future ones, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. See you all again next time. I'm going to finish this off now, so bye.